guys, good morning. It is Saturday and again we're vlogging this weekend because I have decided that every Tuesday, I'm not promising it, but I will really try my best. Every Tuesday I'm gonna put out a video as to what it is I did the weekend before. So it's like about 11:15 and I just did a smoothie video for you guys, so I'm kind of excited to put that out. So you can look out for that and let me know what you will think. I wanted to kind of like go into something a bit different beside the vlogging, and that is something that I like to do. I like to cook, I like to make smoothies, I like to blend a lot of stuff. I've been going through a smoothie phase. I do go through a lot of phases, and for the past 3 or 4 months I've been going through a smoothie breakfast shake kind of phase. I just love to blend stuff, healthy stuff though, because go for my smoothie video and let me know what you all think. If you don't like it, please be honest. I know there are a lot of people out there who are very honest with me, and I appreciate that. Okay, and so yeah, today's mommy and daddy's anniversary, so we're gonna go in a bit. I'm gonna go in a bit, not us. I'm gonna go in a bit and we're gonna have lunch. Anissa is meeting us, and tonight Dave's folks are having a prayers, so that's it, you know, just meeting mommy for lunch and prayers later this evening. So anniversary to mommy. Say happy anniversary to mommy. Okay. Happy anniversary, mommy and daddy. Happy anniversary. How much years? 35 years. At least you think we'll make it so long? I mean, I ain't talking about marriage, I'm talking about age. Because we started late in the business.
I'm tired.
She always tired. Check her out here. Oh my god. Okay, so I am finished and ready to go downstairs. So I finished with my face. I didn't do much. Although don't criticize my eyebrow, please. I am trying to grow it out to get a better shape. I am really considering the microblading. So yeah, let me go downstairs and see what is going on. Come surprise with dreams. Like seriously, I thought I was mad. Look at me. But she taking me. This is a holy side of the. Oh, they're not gonna hear no stupid music.
I'm gonna get to see anything for the day.
Show them your plate. Immediately.
Take everything.
Oh, look, Mila.
And we stew fish everything. everything on it. Everything.
Hey. Hi. That's my plate. I said eat already, so we'll see. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you. Say hello. Are you feeling better? You were arrested. He knocked out last night. This is Panda Dave. Say Sitaram.
Sitaram, assalamu alaikum to my Muslim brothers and sisters.
Yes, so
no, that's not joke. I really have Muslim brothers.
I know that.
And a few girls who was
you
Muslims, yeah. My little birds.
You always have some birds somewhere. Anyways, look who we with.
We did with the Baba and the wife.
Say hi, guys.
The Baba and the wife.
It's Sunday.
I could drink
Tell them where you all
a case of
going.
cold beer. Funsplash.
I am very thirsty and I was going to drink a bottle of water, but...
I say save water, drink beer.
Take Sundar Popo.
Well, let's pick up everybody else.
Hi, Sundar!
That legend. Our grocery.
Look, the legend here.
I'm in TV right now, out there.
On the hunt for ginger ale. It should be in the server.
We gotta take it cold. Fruit and cranberry. God, you shouldn't like here. Lock with that boy. Any sting? Red Bull and Monster.
Vishnu pubes. Vishnu,
Oh,
how your pubes? Your hair very long, honey.
Jadi bang, gua na.
best
KFC.
fried chicken ever. Not
KFC,
even-
all I want nothing with this.
I know that.
So we're going for a walk. Let me show you what Funsplash looks like. Oh, welcome, Dave. This is Dave's first time to Funsplash.
Virgin
I came here a good few years ago, though.
Hey, who you come with? I'll be after you married. Before you married me.
Before, duh.
Okay, can't come together with boy. Vlog. All you want to see people get blue
I
eye.
guess he's gonna start his channel and expose people. Alright, so Vishnu's take on this place is that he finds it is a bit run down.
Good
They
work.
believe Harry's water park is
Much more upkept.
And more, like...
Better upkeeping, better upkeeping.
Here's a nice little show, man. The cooking vibes, but
That's what I'm alright. It's over 10 years we've been, I've been here
Alright,
once
so
in
let
10
me show you
years.
the place, right?
Once in 10 years.
This is it. This is it.
That's
I guess they're talking about this little place here. Then there's a slide.
I should take all the fun and let's put splash all over.
And then we have a little pool here.
This more cleaner.
And yeah, that's it. That's it really.
Thanks. Party zone.
Time check is 6:07 p.m. And
lock on the pool.
I think this is the time everybody starts blocking off the park and whatnot. Did you have a good time? We're gonna go back to the shed now. It's the shed with the hot water.
I know if Sean Macan is watching, but Sean Macan, what's your jersey I have on? What's your name?
Show the place, right?
Sure.
By this guy in my shut.
Yeah, they see people want my vlog, boy.
So just do
Nobody
it
know
now.
what you think, boy.
Look at this is it over here. There's a nice little lake area. Over there is the huts and whatnot, where you can rent. The size of the hut determines the price. I think it starts at $150. And there's some. It goes all the way up to $300 or something. So the bigger the family, the more you pay. And yeah, that's it. It's so nice. It really is nice.
I go for the wine, I'm good.
DJ Chassis.
I tune. I'm a boy musclehead. I can only call he that because I family. And musclehead.
Then my big sister, Auntie Muscle.
What are you posing there?
Big
Amiga, baby,
my aunt friend from
Colombia.
Colombia. My aunt friend,
Yeah.
right?
Amiga, baby, where? Johnny?
No,
Wine?
this is Moscato.
Moscato.
Yeah, Moscato. Mommy, remember him? Not him, no. He taller than me.
Yes, mommy. Heyman is very present here at the moment. And I'm present here with Laura.
This is a little baby who wanted to be a partner. What is he here?
Listen, just can't edit at last moment. This could never complete the sentence.
Guys, I am home. Bobby's gonna come in now. Let me show you Bobby's how his grand entrance is gonna be. Hold on. What are you doing?
What's your boy?
Yay! Hello.
What's my boy?
Hi, baby.
What's my boy? What's your man?
Whoop.